Welcome to Chakwa International. I am Nilamatana speaking. This is the current affairs series for the Odisha Civil Service Examination 2020, going to content August 27th. We will complete the 30 mark question, around 30 mark question coming in the Odisha Civil Service Examination. We'll cover the 100% current affairs within 2 days. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented first digital union budget in February 2021 due to COVID. She is the first finance minister to present union budget 3 times in a row. Union budget mobile application was launched for this purpose. The 6 pillars of union budget 21-22: health, well-being, physical and financial capital, inclusive development for aspirational India, reinvigorating human capital, innovation and research and development, minimum government and maximum governance. 8 focus area budget, doubling farmers' income, strong infrastructure, healthy index, good governance, opportunity for youth, education for all, women empowerment, inclusive development. Government capital expenditure will be 2.5% in financial year 22. Among the 13 ministry allocation, highest allocation was given to Minister of Jala Shakti, followed by Minister of Consumer Affairs, followed by Food and Processed Public Distribution. Proposal to allow state to raise borrowing up to 4% of GSDP. Unified Security Market Code to be created. Proposal to increase foreign direct investment limit insurance 49 to 74%. Deposit insurance increase from 1 lakh to 5 lakh for bank depositors. Proposal to decriminalize limited liability partnership 2008. 2 public sector unit bank and 1 general insurance to be disinvested. IPO by LIC to divert the fiscal. Strategic sale of BPCL ID by Air India to be completed. Agriculture, infrastructure and development sales proposed to on certain items including urea, apples, crude, soybean, sunflower oil, crude palm and Kabuli chana. Senior citizens above 75 years no need to put filing tax return if income from pension and interest. Number of income tax increased from 6.48 crores to 3.48 crores in 2014. Serious tax offences of concealment of income over 50 lakhs can be reopened even after 10 years. Health well-being, focus on 3 areas: preventive, curative well-being. The Made in India pneumococcal vaccine to be rolled out across the country from the present 5 to about 55 child death annually. Overall government share capital expenditure 21-22 5,500 crores, 35% more than the previous year's income in health and well-being. India currently spends about 1.1% of GDP on health. 1% GDP on health. A new scheme titled PM Atmanirbhar Swasthya Bharat Yojana to be launched to develop primary, secondary, tertiary health care. Main objective: support to health and welfare centers, setting up integrated public health lab, critical care hospital blocks and strengthening NSTC. Mission Poshan 2 to improve nutrition income across 112 aspirational districts. Jala Jeevan Mission under aim for better water supply nationwide. 2217 crores to tackle air pollution 42 urban centers with a million plus population. 100 new science school to be set up. 750 Ecolab school to be set up in tribal areas. Central University to be in Ladakh. Agriculture Infrastructure Fund to be made available for APMC for augmenting the infrastructure. 1,000 more mandis to be integrated in-nam marketplace. 5 major fishing hubs, including Chennai, Kochi, Paradeep, to be developed. A multi-purpose seaweed park to be established in Tamil Nadu. Vehicle scrapping policy to phase out old and unfit vehicles. That is for commercial 15 years, non-commercial 20 years. National Rail Plan created to bring the future ready for railway system by 2030. 100%, most important, 100% electrification of railway to be completed by 2023. Metro services announced in 27 cities plus additional allocation for Kochi, Chennai, Bangalore, Nasik and Nagpur. National Hydrogen Mission to be launched to generate hydrogen from green power sources. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana scheme to be extended to cover 1 crore more beneficiaries. Big boost in highway project. Tamil Nadu 3,500 km, Kerala 1,100 km, West Bengal 675 km, Assam 1,300 km. Major scheme, One Nation One Ration Card scheme, launched to which beneficiary can claim the ration anywhere in the country. Comprehensive National Hydrogen Energy Mission to be launched. Metro light and non-metro non-new technology to be deployed to provide metro rail system in tier 2 cities and peripheral areas around tier 1 cities. Government allocated 3,726 crores for forthcoming census, which will be for digital census. A record 1,10,055 crore to be provided by Indian Railways. Hundred percent electrification, Board Rail completed 2023. Now some expo on the economic survey. Economic survey is the most important economic survey prepared under the Krishnamurthy Subramaniam, Chief Economic Advisor to the Government of India. Economic survey prepared by the Chief Economic Advisor to Government of India. The theme of economic survey was saving lives, livelihoods. Other theme, V-shaped recovery, COVID warriors join hands to uphold India, opportunity outweigh risk. The economic survey has projected GDP growth at 11% in 21-22, 6.8% 22-23. And this is closely matching to 11.5% predicted by the IMF. The only sector expected to grow this year is agriculture around 3.4%. India adopted 4 pillars: containment, fiscal, financial, long-term structure reform. The services sector account for 54% of India's gross value addition and nearly 4/5 of the total foreign direct investment flow into India. Indian Allied Agriculture sector 21 fast advancement 3.4% growth in the agriculture sector 2020-21. The share of agriculture in 2021 19-20 17.8% 19-20. India has attained a literacy level 96% elementary level As per National Sample Survey, literacy rate percentage 7 years and above all India level stood at 77.7%. The combined central state social sector expenditure percent of GDP as in India rank in Human Development Index to the 19131. This will be updated. One completely index will come for before tomorrow. That is on 2021. It is 1920. 19 20 will come in 19. It is 131 out of 189. India GNA per capita is 6681 US dollar in 2019. Life expectancy now 69.78 2019. India forest reserves all-time high 586.1 billion US dollar on January 8, 2021. India ranked ease of doing business center in 2019 to the 63rd position 2020, 63rd position 2020, 77% 2018, 63rd position 2020, 77% 2018. Republic Day this year no extend the chief guest outside due to COVID-19. Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is based on 5 pillars: economy, infrastructure, system, demography and demand. In COVID-19, this is important. 3 tests is there. Molecular RT-PCR test. Molecular test is commonly RT-PCR test. Testing the swab directly detect the presence of virus in the sample. This is the 100% accurate. Then COVID-19 antigen test, and it refers to foreign matter of viral proteins in the body that triggers the immune response. COVID-19 antibody test, known as serology test, it tells a person previously infected with a virus that causes COVID-19. So antibody test can tell whether you are infected with COVID-19. Antigen test your body immunity to COVID-19 virus, and RT-PCR test whether you are affected or not affected. Some mobile application for this COVID and related terms also. ARD, acute respiratory disease, COVID-19 coronavirus disease 2019, MERS, Middle East respiratory syndrome, SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome, PPE, personal protective equipment, asymptomatic, that a person is detected with a virus but will not develop symptoms, pandemic, disease outbreak spread to across the countries, RT-PCR test, reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. In major overseas operation mission conducted by India, Samudra Setu, Indian Navy May 20 launched Samudra Setu, meaning sea bridge, as part of the national effort to bring the repopulated Indian cities overseas. Target countries Maldives. Indian ship involved Jaleshwar and Magar. Mission Sagar, India launched Mission Sagar 10th May 2020 as a part of government outreach towards 5 island nations to be in the Indian Ocean amidst the ongoing COVID-19. Nations are Maldives, Mauritius, Seychelles, Madagascar and Comoros. Indian ship involved Mission Kesari. Operation Sanjeevani. Indian Air Force 18 operation. They lifted 6.2 tons of essential medical hospital coronavirus medicine and delivered to Maldives. Vande Bharat Express is most important. Indian massive repatriation with the help of Indian Navy ships and National Air India. The target country UAE, USA, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Philippines, Bangladesh, Oman, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait and UK. Major apps launched Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu that can detect the presence of any infected person within 1 to 2 to 5 kilometers. MyGov, Sahayag, Chatbot, Corona Kavach. Okay, we are going to cover 100% current affairs within 24 hours because it need around 30 marks is coming. So thank you. If you are interested, you can subscribe. Thank you.